My sister graduated, and I'm going to make her something I know she would love more than flowers. Congrats! I've got different size sticks, small and large. And I made one of these, and I'll just show you how to do that real quick. I'm just going to take a couple different candies that you want. Choose a stick. Flip it over. Take some tape. 2 pieces. So simple. Except for when you get it stuck to your finger. And then I'm going to take one just straight down the middle so it stays sturdy. So it's pretty sturdy there. This candy bouquet was really fun to make as well as to give. Super budget friendly, and you can get most everything at the dollar store. Not to mention you get to eat some along the way. And this would be an awesome Easter basket bouquet with Easter candy, a gift for a teacher, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. Goodness, any day really. Who doesn't love candy? See how cute that's turning out? The container I use is actually a planter, so when she's done gobbling up all those tasty treats, she can use it as a practical gift, which is also kind of fun because she gets something else out of it too. You can use any container for the bottom. Just make sure it's heavy enough. You might need to put extra candy in the bottom to make it weighted. Tissue paper or cellophane can be used. Adding gift cards is fun too.
Please like and subscribe for more sweet content.